up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, my name is Kelly. Today's video is all about the Daisy Does It Colourpop collection. You guys, this collection has spring written all over it, so yeah, I'm excited to jump right in. I'm gonna start off just going through all of the products. We got a lot of products to go through today, so let's get started. The first product that we have today is the Daisy Does It palette, and you guys, I'm so sad that this is so bright. It's like a pastel yellow. It's not even really showing up on my camera because of all the lights that I have. So if you can see it, I might just have to insert a picture because it is bright. So I'm looking at the palette right now and I can already kind of see that I'm going to go for a kind of coral look today. I think it would be really cute. I love green and I see that they have some really cute greens in this palette, but I'm not going to go for that because I just did a green look on my channel, so I don't want to bore you guys with like the green tone, so I'm gonna go for something more coral, kind of like my shirt today. So that's the palette, and now I'm gonna get straight into these babies right here. So these are the cream gel liners by Colourpop. I purchased all 5. This is the set for the Daisy Does It collection, and I'm just going to swatch them all so you guys can kind of see what they look like. Right off the back, these are super pigmented, and also they're very smooth, so I love that. So the dark brown color is Sunnyvale, and then we're moving on to the olive green color. It's called Idyllic. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And then we have this gold shade. It's called Captivating. Next, we have a pastel yellow called Extra Frosting. I absolutely adore that name. And then we have this coral shade called On Point. Okay, so before we move out of the eyes today, I'm going to go ahead and also show you guys the Super Shock Shadow Super Shock Shadow set that came with the Daisy Does It Colourpop collection. So one thing that's really cool about these Super Shock Shadows is you can actually purchase them in a set of 2. So I'm just going to show you like each of the sets that come on the website. So the first set we have is called Lawn Party. It is a really dark yellow and kind of a gold shimmer color. The next set that we have is called Prom. So this is like a lighter green as well as a lighter champagne color. And these are really metallic shades, so they're gonna be super cute. And then we have one more set today, and this last set is called Flower Buds. It is a dark emerald green, almost blue type shade, and a really light purple, almost like a lilac lavender type shade. So those are also going to be gorgeous on the lid. So I have a few more things to show you guys. There are 3 different blushes that came with this collection. They are the Super Shock Matte blushes by Colourpop. I have the shades Chamomile. Okay, I'm gonna butcher this. Margaret maybe? If that's Margaret, I've never seen it spelled like that before. And then we have Doozie. So I'm gonna swatch these as well just because I want you guys to see what they look like, especially if you use me as a shade reference and you want to see what these colors look like on my skin tone, then you know this is perfect for you. I feel like Chamomile is going to be my favorite. It's the darkest one out of the 3, and it's just really pretty. I can't wait to use that one. And then for our last products that we have today, we have the Glossy Lip Stains by Colourpop, and I cannot wait to try these on, you guys. Today I'm going to try on every shade, of course, after I finish my makeup, so you guys can see what all of these shades look like. So I'm not going to be swatching these on my hand because I'm going to try them for you guys instead after the demo. Okay, so now for the most exciting part. Well, for me, it's the most exciting part. I'm going to be using these products today in a demo. So I'm going to get ready to dip into the eyeshadow palette first. I already did my eyebrows off camera. And I guess actually I need to conceal my lids. So yeah, let's do that first. So as you guys can see, this palette is absolutely beautiful, and I think that I'm going to hop straight into Flower Girl. It is a coral shade, so yeah, I'm gonna hop into this one first. So for my next color, I'm going to be taking the shade Pinwheel. It is a very light. I'm going to go with orange. It's definitely a shade or type of orange. It's extremely light. It reminds me of like maybe orange sherbet, but even lighter. So I'm just going to take this shade and kind of blend out the coral shade called Flower Girl. So now I'm going back in that shade called Flower Girl, and I'm just making sure that I don't lose my coral. So basically what I just did was kind of cut out my eye with some micellar cleansing water so I can lay down the foundation for my cut crease. I'm going to go in with the shade Top Pick and apply that on the outer corner of my lids where the cut crease concealer starts. And then now that I'm getting closer to the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to go in with the shade, actually I'm going to go in with the Super Shock Shadow called Beloved. Okay you guys, so off camera I kind of completed my face. I gave myself a small wing, popped on some lashes, and yeah, I didn't want to record all that because we still got quite a few products to go. So now I think I'm ready to get into the blush today. And so I really have two options. I can go really light on the blush or I can make it pop. So I think I'm going to go with a little pop today and go in with that Chamomile, the darker shade that I was talking about earlier today. So that is what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to take this right here. So I'm kind of going ham on the blush, but I'm just blending this out with the same brush that I used for my foundation. to make it all be like cohesive kind of. So now that we're done with blush for today, I'm going to go in with this Coral eye gel liner, well, cream gel liner, and I'm going to add some of this to my waterline just because I think it'd be cute. So I'm sure you guys kind of noticed that I kind of stopped in the middle with the cream gel liner, and I think it's because I'm going to take a second one and kind of finish it out. So this is that pastel yellow, and it is extra frosting. So I'm gonna take this one as well. Now I'm just gonna plop some mascara on the bottom lashes. Alright you guys, so here we have the final eye look, and I think it's so cute. So next, let's jump into the satin lip creams. I'm going to be trying on every shade for you guys, and you guys know that when I try on lip products for the first time, I usually don't go in with a lip liner, so we're not using any lip liners today. I want you guys to see what these colors look like without like the fade of a lip liner, because as we know, lip liners can change the entire look. First shade that I'm going to be going in with today is called Virtue. The next shade that I'm going to be trying today is called Sunkiss. Now I'm going to be going in with this shade called Tree Hugger. This next shade is called Leave Me Alone. Now I'm going to be going in with a shade called The Glory. And last but not least, we have the shade Popular Culture. So now that I've showed every single product of this collection, now it's time to review everything and talk about which products I like the most and which products I like the least. Let's start with the bad news. Okay, so the products that I like the least have got to be the glossy lip stain, and I guess I should have read reading is fundamental, you guys, because I was like trying the colors on and I was like, this is a mess. Like, my lips are stained so bad. Clearly that was gonna happen, but I felt like I wasn't really into the pinky tones. Like, it was just a little bit too pink for me, and I think I said this on my channel before, I don't feel like pink looks that great on me. I'm more of a nude type of girl, but that's okay. I just wanted to try these products on anyways. Like I said, the staining part, I think I just don't like. The fact that it's a glossy stain, it applies like it's a matte lipstick. It just doesn't dry down matte. It's like just still there. So Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that completely. I think so. What I ended up doing was going in actually with this cream gel liner. It's really good as a lip liner. And then I mixed the colors Leave Me Alone and Tree Hugger, and I got this shade right here. So this will do for now. And let's talk about our favorite products today. So I really like the palette and the cream gel liners, not only because I could use them as lip liners, but I just think they're really pigmented and they're so smooth to apply. Like the liners, number one, and then the palette, number two. Of course, I like the other products. They're kind of like in between though. So like the Super Shock shadows are in between, and the blushes that I purchased also are in between. They're like, I don't dislike them, but they're not my favorite products. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Colourpop has been coming out with so many new products. I can't keep up. I literally am behind on reviewing makeup. I still have to review the Avatar collection, so definitely look out for that video. It's coming soon. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you click the little bell too if you want to be notified when I upload my videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.